Oh, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, like and share, guys. Today we're going to talk about buying a condo. This is going to be real. Try and get it as basic as possible. There's a lot of false information out there because they haven't done it. We have done quite a few of these. You say you have, first scenario, you have a bank account in Thailand. We're going to get two scenarios. First scenario, you have a bank account in Thailand. You come here, you look at a beautiful building like this, you make an offer with an agent, you're happy with that, he will send you, or she will send you an agreement, a contract. Have a read through your contract. If you're happy with it, sign it. You'll put down a 10% deposit, then you'll take your contract to your bank. They will give a clearance to say the money has come from the outside of Thailand.
Come from your bank account at your home country to Thai bank account.
To your Thai bank account.
Yes.
At the same time, the agent will go downstairs to the office in the condominium building you're buying, and they will get a clearance. They will get a clearance to make sure that there's no money, no finance on it, and also all the fees, the maintenance fees, is up to date.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you'll be anyway, it'll be cleared. Once everyone's happy with that, you've got the clearance from the bank to say the money comes from over home.
Yes.
The clearance from the office downstairs is all done. And in good form, it should take about 2 weeks maximum. Try and make sure the owner, these are the quick questions you need to ask when you go viewing. Is the owner in Thailand? If he's in some like Russia, it takes a lot more. So don't go ahead and put a deposit down until you've got this correct information that the owner is in Thailand. Otherwise it's a real nightmare. It can stretch out to months. Once you've got the clearance on your bank and the clearance from downstairs, the agent will make a booking for the land transport, the land office, and you'll meet up there. You'll have some bank checks for them, and you'll spend about an hour or two there, and you'll be walking away with a stamp and a picture at the front to say congratulations. Also, scenario number 2, you haven't got a bank account, but you want to buy that condo, and you have the money at home, and you feel you haven't got the correct visa to open the bank account. Don't stress, guys. Don't stress. It's not a big deal. Go ahead with plan A. If you're coming here and you haven't got a bank account, get yourself a lawyer. They're quite reasonable priced. For an average, we had a follower do it as well. We passed our lawyer on to him. It cost him 50,000 baht, which is 2,500 Australian. Put your deposit down through the lawyer. Don't do it through the agent. Then you've got some liability security as well. Put your 10% deposit down through him. He'll use his bank account details. He will go forward with you right through the land office, and for 2,500 Australian, 50,000 baht, you're in safe hands. Okay, so it's not a big deal. He'll explain to you exactly the same scenario as what we just went through, but for 2,500 or 50,000 baht, it's a real peace of mind. There's no one out there on YouTube or social media explained like that. Okay, John Jones down at the bar doesn't explain it because he hasn't got one, right? So we're quite happy to put fresh information out there. It's going to help a lot of people relocating to Thailand at the moment. Huge amount of inquiries coming through. It's not out of your league, guys. It can be done. It is straightforward. If you're going to come here for holidays and family come here, or you want to pass it on to children, or surprise someone when you pass away, surprise them with a condo in Thailand. What a gift. I suggest do your homework. Do your homework. Don't go and buy something over 10 years old, guys. Try and keep it newish. If you get something under 10 years, find out what your maintenance fees are. It goes per square metre and so forth. For example, one that we owe, we bought one for 5 mil. We pay about 32,000 baht a month, 30,000 baht a year for maintenance. And that's got a big lap round pool, that's jacuzzis, saunas, all the and it's spotless. Not a bad deal. Works out about 500 baht a week, $25 Australian, which is not a big deal. That's for the bigger room as well. That room's like 54 square metres. We've got another one as well, 36 square metres, and that's a hell of a lot cheaper. That's like $1,000 Australian, 20,000 baht, 20,000 baht a year. So it is affordable. If you're going to spend some sort of time in Thailand, my personal opinion is buy. You make your living costs, your day-to-day life's a hell of a lot easier when you're not parting out dead money. There's nothing worse. People go, rent's cheap in Thailand. It adds up. It adds up, guys. When you when you've been here 4 years in that building renting, then you go down there and rent over there for 2 years, that's 6 years. That's halfway through a mortgage. You could have owned it. You know what I mean? And if you want to change, rent it out. Rent it out. It's quite simple. Put it at a half decent rate so you covered your mortgage. These things are cheap. They start off at 2 million baht, 100,000 Australian for a basic single man or a holiday unit for a couple.
Yeah.
I think it's a no-brainer. I wish I'd done it earlier. I wish I had someone explain to me how to buy one and A, B, C, because I'm not that clever. And it took us a while to work it all out. We got lucky. We'll be completely honest here. We got lucky. We had it pretty straightforward. We watched what we did, and we used agents along the way.
You use a good agent.
Yeah. But we were very lucky because Party can speak Thai and so forth. And I've been in business a while, so I can sort of read between the lines what's going on. But there's a lot of stories out there, guys. If you listen to us and you follow us, we appreciate you. We like to tell how it is and how easy Thailand can be, and all the pros and cons. We're not here to dog the place out. I think if you do your homework on the place, you keep your hands up. Like any country, you've got to keep your hands up these days, don't you, guys? So we will drop in again and explain how to buy a home and a villa. Once again, and also the rates. The rates, land taxes on those condominiums. What are we paying, honey?
The property 3%.
3%?
Yeah, 0.03, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Off the value of the property.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad.
But this year they got some good deal. Yeah.
Plus, if like I said, if you're living here for a long term, the living cost is between your electricity and water and your day-to-day life. After you buy one, I mean, the first day when you pass the money over 100,000 or 200,000 Australian or whatever, I like to use terms of Australian because a lot of my followers are from Australia. Once your initial pay, like any mortgage or build you buy, once you own it, the amount of relief it is to know that when you leave or go somewhere else to turn the electricity off and it's not costing you nothing, you know.
Yeah.
And when you come here and you can live here for as long as you want, you're only covering electricity and water. Do you know how much peace of mind that is? Like one of our houses we live in, the lifestyle and the freedom you got from out owning it, freehold, because of where I come from, the mentality of having a 30-year mortgage, it just brings you down. You've got to stay in the system and work like a dog for 30 years. So having that peace of mind, that freedom, that's your home, and that's that condo's in my name, and it's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. And you can own about 3 or 4 of them, guys. So if you want to go in that avenue and make some passive income off it, it can be done. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. If you want to go the other way and put it into a business name or company name, so forth later, that's not a big deal either. It's not a big deal. Many guys do it. I think the accountant fees for your GST and your taxes per year on average, accountants about between 10 or 15,000 a year to do your bookwork for you. So it can be done. It's not a big issue if you want to make that honest income in Thailand, if you want to spend the money and buy 3 or 4 condos. So I hope this helps out, guys. I'm happy to share the information. I know how frustrating it can be and overwhelming, and how stressful you can bring it on yourself because no one's telling you how it is. Anyway, peace out from Thailand. Thanks for watching.